Hey guys, welcome back to Aboxy Global Radio. My name is R. Alfax Nyabuto Kamakawa. So today we're here in Dallas, Texas, together with my team of videographers and also my team of news anchors and producers. We are here in Dallas, Texas, as you can tell. If you are in Kenya and wondering how America looks like, this is how America looks like here in the DFW area. Now, sai tunaendesha tukienda.
This is a tollway.
Oh yeah, this is a tollway. Tunaenda kwa studio sai tuwalete maneno kidogo kidogo. By the way, if you're new, we got a new studio, and if you want to come to our new studio, just inbox, make an appointment, tell us that you want to come to the new studio, and we can do an interview together. If you need audio production, video production, we do all of that here at Aboxy Global Radio. And this is also the AGR Broadcast Network, if you did not know that. So make sure you guys join us here at Aboxy Global Radio, AGR Broadcast Network. In fact, AGR FM. Like our Facebook page, subscribe and comment on all of our social media platforms. And thank you very much for supporting us here at Aboxy Global Radio.
And then nowadays we have nightly news, AGR news, full bulletin every day.
Yes.
Yeah, with Dennis
Zadok
and
Fidelis Mochoge.
Do you see that plane?
Oh yes, right
Are you
there.
able to capture it?
Yes, I am capturing it.
Okay, we are chasing a plane. And Edwin Mokaya is the man behind the camera.
Yeah, Edwin is the man behind the camera. Look at this.
Technician, doing good.
Look at this car right here. Tell me how much this car costs in Kenya. This is a Toyota RAV4 2020. Just came out.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, that's 2020.
Yes.
And we are driving GM 2021.
By the way, you know GM came out with their new truck.
Oh, yeah.
They came out with their new truck. Looks very, very nice. Very soon, guys, we're going to start vlogging. If you don't know what a vlog is, you'll hear it from us first.
And we also need to have somebody who can tell us about the road safety.
Yes. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this sunset.
So that we can admire some vehicles as well as drive in a safe manner.
The beauty of the United States of America.
And behind there is Mike.
Oh yeah, we have Mike here in the car. Mike, how are you?
How are you, Ni? Mike
is doing good. He says he's doing perfect.
Don't forget I'm also here, okay? I'm here piloting the car.
So the lens I have on right now is a very broad lens.
Yeah.
So it's not going to be able to capture everything, but zile barabara zenye munasikianga itichingori.
Yeah, right now we are driving at 130 kilometers per hour, which is 80 miles per hour, which is a good speed. You think we can? Okay. Here comes the Benz. Mr. Benz, you know, you can go here too.
Oh, look. Did he go? There's a 2020 Benz that just went by us.
Yeah. You know, there's a time we are on the road, AGR on the road. There's a time that we used to, if you own a good car, you open the windows so that people can see, oh, that's me driving the car. But here, man, nobody cares what kind of car you drive.
Whether you drive a 1950 Toyota or a 2021 Mercedes Benz.
And you can drive anything that you want.
Oh yeah, anything. This is the land of milk and honey, but bring your own honey.
But you know, if I drive one of the best, actually we're driving right now one of the best cars, but if we open our windows, nobody will even notice that we are driving it. Because
everybody has a car equal to or a car bigger.
I don't know if you know that people open the windows so that they can show off. This is me driving this and that.
Oh yeah. So anyway, we are here in Dallas, Texas, and
back to DFW.
We are heading to Arlington, where our studios are. We got studio number 3 here in Texas.
Yeah.
So If you need anything, Dallas, Arlington, Mansfield, wherever you are, we have studios here in Abakusi Global Radio where we can record. We are on Amon Carter Boulevard, headed to Arlington, Texas. Any last words?
Well, we are exiting next to Grapevine. And the Sabbath was good.
Oh yeah, it was a good Sabbath. It was a youth Sabbath today.
Yeah, maybe my last word is to encourage people to take a walk after Sabbath. Even at the beginning of every day, Jesus prayed. At the end of the day, he walked with the disciples and they used to tour nature. So I encourage our viewers, our listeners, our followers to take a walk. You cannot accept nature until you walk and see how nature looks like. Yeah. So if you want to accept how God created the things, just take a walk, a nature walk, and you will see how beautiful things are. You cannot accept the Creator if you can't walk. Like now we are coming from the Dallas area. We took a walk after Sabbath.
Oh yes.
And indeed we have acknowledged the way God created things. Oh, is awesome.
God is an awesome God.
Oh yeah. There's one building here which is taller, which can fall on you.
Oh, by the way, this is
built by glass, only glass.
Hold on, let me focus.
That's one of them, but we're almost there. On your right side.
Yes, right.
And they're slanting. Remember the American Airlines?
American Airlines.
Yeah, the new one.
Hold on. Look, this is all American Airlines. This is
coming to you next, down there.
Yes, this is American Airlines. I don't think they can see it anymore because of the trees.
I'll go closer. I think I need to change your line. Okay, it's there. Are you able to capture it?
Okay, we can't see it because of the trees, but that down there is American Airlines.
I think Mike can go and bend the trees so that he can take a video. Now, Mike, can't you bend the trees? We need a wood clip. Oh, behind you.
Oh, yeah. Okay, anyway, guys, that's American Airlines Center, right?
Yeah, where it has only glass.
It's a full glass building, nothing else, nothing added. And yeah.
I wish we had time we could see the line changes here. You see how people are changing lines.
Look at this.
Nowadays we have most careless drivers around here.
Look at this. This is a toy. If we were in Kenya, people would say this is a toy. But somebody paid $50,000 for this car.
Oh yeah, and it's the most expensive by the way.
Look at this other one. This is a Kia Soul.
Kia.
This is a Dodge Challenger.
People have started sleeping on the road, so we gotta drive.
Anyways, guys, make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel, AGRFM, Facebook, YouTube, all of those social media platforms. Go follow us, Abakusi Global Radio, AGRFM, AGR Broadcast Network, all of that. Make sure you do it. This is Abakusi Global Radio. Stay tuned. My name's R. Alfax Nyabuto.
Orina Contiri and Mike the Eagle.
Yes. See you guys.